guys, it's Eric, and although the snow is falling, spring is just a week or two away, and as a result, my mind is on tractors and mowers and yard work and farming and all the good stuff that goes along with that. This morning I woke up and decided to take a look at Craigslist, and I came across this kind of nearby, which is unusual for the area that I live in. This is a Troy-built pony, one of the more basic models of riding mower you can come across these days, but you know, it said it was running, and they were only asking $100. So I decided to hop in the old truck and take a drive out there and come on around here and I'll show you. It actually is not in bad shape. You can take a look at it here, and you know, it's a 7-speed shift on the go transmission. It does have a 42-inch cutting deck, adjustable seats, does have headlights, and it's not rusted out. It's not too bad. It does have one tire that's off a rim, so it will need some work, but heck, the battery even holds a charge. So I'm going to go ahead and get it unloaded and we'll take another look at it, all right? All right, well, here it is off the old T100. It's not bad, guys. Not a bad little car. It's a 2011 Troy-built pony, 7-speed transmission. And I'll do a little walk around here. You'll see. Seat's not torn. Got a battery that's only about 14 months old by the date, I believe. Tires got tread on it. Mowing deck is in pretty good shape. It's not bent up too bad or anything like that. I haven't looked at the spindles, but it is missing a little chute here, but that's not a big deal. Got the key for it. This is the wheel that had a leak, and he tried to drive it out this morning and popped it off his rim, so I'll have to fix that. But he's actually done routine maintenance on this thing, so the guy that was using this was definitely not neglecting it, which is always nice. Yeah, let's go ahead and I'll pop the hood here. You see, even inside's not bad. He did keep up with oil changes, so it's got the 17.5 IC Briggs in it. Good little motor, and it's not rusted out underneath here. There's no massive indications of oil leakage, stuff like that. Now, he did replace that bar right there because he had some issues with it, so that's nice. And then the only thing he pointed out, the gas cap is missing, but I got a spare one of those laying around here somewhere. And all the cabling works fine, you know, keys. Now, the steering wheel column is loose, but if you look up in here, I don't know how well it shows, those bolts are just missing. There's 2 of them are missing, and the other 2 are about to fall out. So that's all that is. That's not a big deal. So yeah, I'm super happy. Super happy. An interesting find here on a snowy day in the mountains of North Carolina, and not even that long a drive to go get it. So sometimes it's a little thing, boys and girls, and today it was definitely a little thing. Anyway, I'm going to stop the camera, fire this thing up, and we'll take one last walk around. Yeah, well, there she is running. No big issues there either. Starts right up, choke works, fired it up, got it sitting here at idle. I mean, I got 0 complaints about this whole ordeal. Anyway, that's it. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina with another cool Craigslist score. Not really sure what I'm going to do with this one. I'm going to have some fun, probably. Turn it into a mud mower, maybe. Turn it into a racing mower. I don't know. But I'm looking forward to playing with it, figuring out what I want to do with it. I guess I'll have to check out and see how well she cuts. The mowing deck has some issues. Maybe I'll turn it into something fun, you know? Hey, look at that. Even the headlights work. I'll leave it at that, and I'll see you next time.